Okay, this is last Thursday's problem. This time I will, control the time in each of this problem in about 4 to 5 minutes. So let's make it real quick. So this is part one. We have two problems. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problem. So this number one, changing the standard form. Standard form is look like if you check your class note, it should be this: two of the variable on one side, x and y on one side, a number on the other side. All you need to do is just change into that. So in this case, you subtract 4x both sides. You should have negative 4x, negative 3y equal negative 7. Okay, this is good. But the better form will be multiply negative 1 for each of these three. So if you get this, will be better form. Or the change in the standard form. This is look better, but the first one is okay. Now we do the number B. Find its x-intercept, y-intercept. X-intercept is y equals 0. That means y equals 0. So you put a y equals 0, either this or this. Y equals 0 here. It's like 4x equals 7. So you divide it by 4. So x should be 7, 4. So you write out like a form, like a point would be 7, 4, 0. Okay? X-intercept, y-intercept, meaning x equals 0. So you put x equals 0, either use this or this. X equals 0, you solve y. In this case, y equal 3y equals 7. So y equal divided by 3, 7 third. So write out like a point, you should have 0. X is 0, y is 7 third, like that. So that's done of our first two problems. So let's do the number 2 problem. Graph the following line, 3 line into 3 line, okay? Doesn't say any method you use, but it's better to use intercept method. This one, intercept method, you don't want to use hard way. You use intercept method. X-intercept, y equals 0. So x-intercept, y equals 0. So in this case, number 2a, so 3x equal 24, because this is 0 here. You solve it, divided by 3. X equal 8. You write out like this, 8, 0. Y-intercept, x equals 0. That one, x equals 0. So negative 4y equal 24. If you divide it by negative 4, be careful about the sign. So y equal negative 6. You write out like a point, 0, comma, negative 6. So on your, to graph this line, let's briefly graph that. So x-intercept, better use intercept method like this. So x 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 0. Y will be negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, negative 6. So you label that, and then you connect this, like this. So that's the best way to graph this kind of line, okay? You can do other way to do it, but it will take longer. The other two actually is better. It's easier to do. Whenever you see the no x component, that means a horizontal line. So you graph like this. So that's our 2a, 2b. 2b problem. So b, y equal negative 3, so you graph like this. First you get x and y. That's horizontal line. So 1, 2, 3. So this point, you have to label at least 2 points. That's a natural point, 0, negative 3. If you want to grab, label this point, maybe 1 here. This will be x is 1, y always be negative 3. That's this. That's horizontal line. Whenever you have you don't have a y component, that means x-intercept. That means a vertical line. W 3.5. You can see this is 3.5 here, 1, 2, 3. So 3.5 right here. So this point, you label that 7.5, 0. One more point, maybe here. This is 7.5, y component is 1. So graph that, this part, you're done here, okay?